If you remember, I talked about how Astrid's hair and clothes are connected to her personality. The same goes for Hiccup. Maybe you noticed how his outfit changes throughout the movies. His hair doesn't change much, but his clothes do. In the first movie, Hiccup wears a lighter green outfit. In the second movie, he wears a darker brown outfit that helps him fight more. In the third movie, as Hiccup's responsibilities increase, he starts to wear darker colored battle suits. His behavior changes as well as his clothes, and he becomes more calm and experienced. At the end of the movie, he welcomes us as a father with an even more tired demeanor. Thus, his character development and the clothes that show it are finalized, not to mention seeing Hiccup with a beard. As a bonus detail, the movie crew recreated the scene with the famous mistake in this scene. It is a very nostalgic detail.